Unboxing Lollypop Preschool. See you.
Let's go! What if all the fun activities were included at school? Yep, we're doing that at Lollypop. At Lollypop Preschool, we've got everything your little one needs. Cooking, sensory play, confidence building performances, all included every week. No extra fees, just non-stop fun and growth for your child. Let us take care of it all so you don't have to worry about finding activities outside of school.
Hi, I'm Seema Barwani. I'm a mother of a toddler. My daughter has been in Lollypop since the last 4 months.
Mommy.
She's turning 3 very soon and she loves Lollypop. At first, she was reluctant to enter the school, but now when I talk to her about Lollypop and I tell her we are going to school, she is so excited because I feel that she's become more comfortable in the school and she's become so confident. Teachers really play an important role on a child's mindset, I believe. And for her, she is just so happy to go to Lollypop.
So hurry! Come to Lollypop's open house and give your child the fun they deserve.